Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have just installed DaVinci Resolve or updated your version and you are getting the error unable to initialize your GPU, you are not alone. This is a very common issue, especially after the updates or when switching between integrated and dedicated graphics card. So this error prevents Resolve from launching and it can be caused by incompatible GPU settings, outdated drivers, or unsupported hardware configurations. So in this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step fixes to get Resolve running again on both Windows and laptops with dual GPUs. Whether you are using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, these solutions are tested and effective. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links in the description of all the tools or the GPU driver downloads and Resolve's minimum requirements details linked down in the description. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to simply check for the updates for our graphic. For that, first of all, you need to launch whichever graphic you have, its associated application. It can be NVIDIA, Intel, AMD. Currently I have NVIDIA, so I'm going to launch the NVIDIA application. Once you are here, simply go to the drivers section and here it will show you this type of check for update option. So once you check for it, if it is showing you this type of install button, it simply means that your driver needs an update. So you need to click on the install button and you need to update your driver from here. The second thing that you can do in order for you to update your drivers, you just have to press Windows plus X on your keyboard and then you need to click on device manager. Now over here you will see the display adapters option, so you need to expand it and here you will see your NVIDIA driver or your Intel driver or AMD driver, whichever driver you have. So you need to right click on that and click on the update drivers option, then search for automatically update of the drivers, and after that you just have to update your driver from this method. You can even go to the official websites of these particular drivers. For example, if you have NVIDIA, so you can type this link in your web browser, that is nvidia.com/drivers, and from here also you can update your drivers. Now you need to make sure that you download the latest stable version, and once the successful after installation, you just have to simply restart your PC and you are done. Now if this method is not able to resolve your problem, you can just hop on to the second step, where what you need to do is you need to simply just go to your settings. So you need to right click on the taskbar and go to your settings. In your settings you will see the system option, so go to system, here click on display, and over here you need to scroll down and go to graphics. Now in your graphics setting, you need to just browse for resolve.exe file that would be usually in this path. So you need to first of all go to your C drive, then program files, then Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, and there you need to click on the options and get it to high performance. So this forces DaVinci Resolve to actually use your dedicated GPU, whether it is NVIDIA or AMD, for rendering it. So this was our second step or our second method that you can use in order to fix this problem in DaVinci Resolve. Now if Resolve won't even open, you can just edit the configuration file directly as well. For that, you need to navigate to this particular path. I will also link it down in the description. So on this path you need to look for a file with the name config.dat. Then you need to just simply open this file in a notepad and search for the line monitoring GPU mode and change that mode to auto to CUDA for NVIDIA or OpenCL for AMD and Intel. Then you need to close the file. Now once you launch this file, this notepad file, always back up the file before actually editing it. Then you need to simply just launch your DaVinci Resolve application and check whether it is now launching properly or not. Now you can even just reinstall the previous version of your DaVinci Resolve, and you just have to download it again. For that, you need to click on the search bar, and in the search bar you need to search for control panel. Then click on the uninstall a program option, and over here you can search for DaVinci Resolve by clicking on the search option, and you can even just try to find DaVinci Resolve in this list. Then you need to just uninstall DaVinci Resolve completely from your device, and then open your web browser and search for blackmagicdesign.com. So this is the official website of DaVinci Resolve. So over here you will see the latest version of DaVinci Resolve, which is DaVinci Resolve 20. So here you need to click on the free download option, and then you can download it from here. Make sure that you are meeting with the minimum CPU GPU requirements. Resolve 19 may not run on very old cards or low-end integrated graphics. So this is how you can fix unable to initialize GPU error in DaVinci Resolve 19. If this video helped you out, drop a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.